Let's learn how to see X comments. If you can't see comments on posts on Twitter and don't know how to fix it, after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Twitter app is updated. You can do this by going to the App Store. Once the App Store is open, click on the Search option. The Search option is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on it, type X or Twitter on the page that opens, and it will take you to the page where Twitter is located. If it says Update next to it, click on that and wait a bit. If it says Open, then it is updated. Next, you need to open Twitter by clicking the Open button. Once Twitter opens, make sure you are logged into the correct account where this option is not working. When Twitter is open, you need to find the post where you want to see the comments. Once you have found that post, click on the Comments option, and if you don't see comments, wait a bit. If you still don't see comments, then click on the date or how long ago the post was made, such as 10 hours or 1 day or a specific date. This date is located in the top right corner of the post. When you click on that, it will open a page where the comments on that post are located. And that's how you successfully view comments on a post. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.